Hi friends, make with me this delicious spinach sauce. I'll be needing tomato, pointed pepper, onion and scotch bonnet. I'll roughly blend my pepper mix and pour them into a boiling palm oil. And I'll allow my palm oil to, my pepper mix to fry in the palm oil. This is the spinach leaf I'll be cutting and be using for this recipe. My protein of choice is the cow skin, shaki, and I'll be using cow foot to make this spinach sauce. The meats are already cooked, fried, or grilled as the case may be. I'll also be using fish and stock fish. In my frying pepper, I'm adding my meat just to ensure that it's very tender and the pepper spice or mixture is going into the meat and having all the flavor all the needed flavor. The next thing, on my cut vegetable, I'm going to be pouring hot water to blanch the vegetable. As we all know, spinach leaf is very watery, and if you do not blanch it, it can make your vegetable soup very runny. And the next thing I'll be doing is blanching it, mixing thoroughly in the hot water and squeezing out all the water after rinsing them in the hot water. The next thing, to my pepper mixture that is frying on the fire, I'll be adding the blanched and well squeezed vegetable. And the next thing will be to turn the mixture thoroughly. One of the things I had also added was my crayfish, just to give it the very good taste and the aroma. And voila, we've now made our simple spinach sauce. You can use this with rice, any solid of choice, or you can even eat it on its own. Thank you for watching. Please do go to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what recipe you would like me to share with you. Thank you. Bye.